Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel a subscription on Rocket Money, okay? So it's really easy and simple actually. So you follow this step by step. So what you want to do first is you want to select the recurring tab, which you will find along the bottom of the screen on their mobile app. And you'll also find it, if you're using their website, you'll find it on the menu on the left of the screen, okay? Right here. So next, what you're going to do is after you select the recurring tab, you're going to tap on all, okay? Near the top of the screen to see your complete list of subscriptions. Then, to the right side of the subscription that you want to cancel, select the three dots. Tap on the three dots and just select cancel service option, okay? And then what you want to do is select the cancel for me option. They'll ask you to fill out a form. It's very brief, okay, short. Just fill out the form and they'll take it right from there. They'll contact you and they'll see if you actually want to cancel, you verify it, and you can go ahead and cancel it. It's really easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helps you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. And I'll see you in the next one.